Hello, my dear friends. Today I've come up with another topic for you all. It is bookkeeping versus accounting. First of all, make a note that this is a very important topic for class 11th, class 12th, BBA, BCom, BCom honors, MBA, MCom, and all competitive exams. So please understand this topic very carefully and prepare this topic very well for your exams. This is going to come for sure in your exams. Bookkeeping versus accounting. We have generally seen that both the terms are being used interchangeably, but in reality, there is some difference between these two. Let us try to understand their meanings first. Okay, so bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is generally recording of financial transactions and it is the part of accounting in business. It is the only word in English language with three consecutive groups of a repeating letter. Transactions include purchases, sales, receipts, and payments by an individual person or an organization or corporation. There are several standard methods of bookkeeping, such as single entry bookkeeping system, double entry bookkeeping system. But while they may be thought of as real bookkeeping, any process that involves the recording, only we will talk of recording. We will not talk about anything else. It is किसी भी एंट्री को बिजनेस की बुक्स में चढ़ाना, बस इसमें हमें कोई भी स्पेशल नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं होती है. बट a person who records the day-to-day financial transactions of business, he or she is responsible for writing the day books, which contains the records of purchase, sales, receipts, and payments. Bookkeeper is responsible for ensuring that all transactions, whether it is cash transaction or credit transaction, all are recorded in the correct day book, supplier's ledger, customer ledger, and general ledger. It is after bookkeeping that an accountant can use it to create reports from the information concerning the financial transaction recorded by the bookkeeper. Bookkeeper brings the books to the trial balance stage. An accountant may prepare the income statement and balance sheet using the trial balance and ledgers prepared by the bookkeeper. So what we have understood right now is bookkeeping is the first part of accounting. For accounting process to begin, we need bookkeeping. Accounting includes bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting, right? Now let us try to understand what is accounting. Accounting is the art of recording and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. This is the definition given by Institute of Certified Public Accountants of America. This is the definition of accountant. But when we talk of meaning of accounting, we talk that it is a methodical way in which we record the transactions. We collect, we summarize the information, we analyze what we have understood and prepare reports in monetary terms, information, and business. It interprets the financial position of a business. The person who performs the accounting process is an accountant who has special knowledge about the business process. Accounting is very wide in scope. There are many branches of accounting. For example, financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, social accounting, government accounting. These all are the scope or branches of accounting. Accounting has many functions, from keeping systematic record to calculating profit and loss of the business, to ascertaining the financial position of the business, to making the information available to the interested parties. Who may be the interested parties? Owners, management, creditors, investors, general public, right? Labor, that is our employees, banks, and the government. This is now we'll do what is the difference between accounting and bookkeeping. Coming on to the first basis, which is origin. Bookkeeping is the first step of financial accounting, while accounting is the second step of financial accounting. What is the objective of bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is concerned with the recording of transactions in the books of original entry, while accounting is concerned with checking the accuracy of financial transactions. Posting. We post entries in ledger from books of original record. In bookkeeping. In accounting, we check the ledger posting whether the same is correct or incorrect. Coming on to the next one of difference between bookkeeping and accounting, we have adjustment and rectification of errors. When we talk of bookkeeping, it does not involve any adjustment, while in accounting it involves adjustment and rectification of errors. In bookkeeping, it is concerned with totaling and balancing of various ledger accounts. In accounting, it is concerned with preparation of trial balance and ascertaining the accuracy of books of accounts. When we talk of bookkeeping, it does not involve preparation of trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. While we talk of accounting, it leads to the preparation of financial accounts, that is final accounts, and thereafter their interpretation, that is drawing meaningful results and conclusions. When we talk of special knowledge and ability required in both the cases, in case of bookkeeping, the work of bookkeeper is clerical in nature. He does not require any as such special knowledge and ability. When we talk of accounting, it is concerned the worker, that is the accountant, is generally the accounting work is done by qualified chartered accountants. Coming on to the next one, we have recording. Bookkeeping is concerned with recording of business transactions, while accounting is concerned with analyzing and drawing meaningful conclusions. Coming on to the scope, we have already discussed. Bookkeeping has limited scope, while accounting has very wider scope. There are many branches of accounting: cost accounting, management accounting, financial accounting, right? Tax accounting. Coming on to the dependence, that is, who is dependent on whom. Bookkeeping is not dependent on accounting. Accounting is dependent on bookkeeping. Accounting takes or starts from where the bookkeeping ends. Aspect. When we talk of aspect, bookkeeping represents the art aspect, while accounting represents the science aspect. This is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Coming on to the conclusions. Bookkeeping is responsible for only recording of financial transactions. Accounting is responsible for interpreting, classifying, analyzing, reporting, and summarizing financial data. The biggest difference that lies between accounting and bookkeeping is in analyzing and interpreting the financial data. Nevertheless, every business and non-profit organization needs a reliable bookkeeping system, because it is on a reliable bookkeeping system that our accounting depends. Unless and until we have proper and complete bookkeeping system, our accounting will fail. Organized financial records and balanced finances provided by the bookkeeper, along with the smart financial strategy and accurate tax filing by the accountant, will contribute to the long-term success of your business. So there lies a difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So all those people who use the words interchangeably, they should stop, right? If you found this video information, something of knowledge and of use to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video.